Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Rodeway Inn Suites Hoisington. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Free Wi-Fi and a complimentary breakfast are available at the pet-friendly Rodeway Inn Suites Hotel. Guests at this smoke-free hotel can enjoy free Wi-Fi, guest laundry facilities and free access to an off-site community fitness center and pool. Cheyenne Bottoms Wildlife Area is 10 miles from the property. A flat-screen cable TV, coffee maker, refrigerator, desk, microwave and hair dryer are available in each room. A private bathroom and air conditioning are provided as well. A business center is available at Hoisington's Rodeway Inn Suites. A meeting room that can accommodate up to 40 people is also located on the property. A full-service bar is open in the evening. The hotel is adjacent to Hoisington's Bicentennial Park and Recreation Complex, which includes a walking trail, children's playground, picnic areas, pickleball courts, 9-hole disc golf course, tennis courts and a dog park. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.